All right, this next problem says solve by factoring. Again, it's set equal to 0, but our a term is prime. In fact, our ABCs are 2, -9, -18. All right, 2, -9, -18. So let's go right ahead. Since there's no GCF, we're going to jump into a times c, which is -36. Our b is going to be -9. And then let's see, two numbers that work. I'm not sure. Let's write them out. So factors of 36, we have 1 and 36. 2 and 18, 3 and 12, 4 and 9, 5 doesn't work, 6 and 6. Okay, so ones that are 9 apart look like 3 and 12. So if I have a 3 and a 12 there, I'd have to make the 12 negative, in order for that, when I multiply, I get -36, when I add, I get a -9. Okay? So I cannot use the fill-in method because my a term here is a 2. So if I split the 2x squared as 2x and x, we're going to have to use the bracket method. I'm seeing the 2 goes into the -12. So on that bracket, I'm going to put a -12. On the other one, I put a 3 from the two numbers that I found in my graphic organizer. And 2 goes into -12 -6 times. 1 in front of the x goes into 3 times. Now, I'm not done yet, though, because it still equals 0, all right? So you have to set each of these two parts equal to 0. We're going to have 2x plus 3 equals 0, and x minus 6 equals 0. So this first one, I have to do a couple steps. I'm going to subtract by 3 on both sides. I have 2x equals -3, and then divide by 2. 2's cancel, x equals -3 halves. Oops, -3 halves. So you get kind of a fraction there, but that's okay. This one's a little bit easier. Just add 6 to both sides, and then x equals a +6. So your answers are -3 halves and 6.